Unlocking artificial intelligence, a new frontier. Artificial intelligence, or AI, may sound like science fiction, but it's rapidly becoming a part of our daily lives. In simple terms, AI is the ability of machines to learn and make decisions like humans. Imagine a computer program that can recognize faces in photos, translate languages, or even drive a car. That's AI in action. AI is a game changer because it allows machines to perform tasks that previously required human intelligence. This has the potential to revolutionize countless industries and aspects of our lives, from healthcare to transportation to entertainment. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on society will only grow more profound. The key to understanding AI is that it's not about creating robots that look and act like us. Instead, it's about developing intelligent systems that can analyze data, learn from experience, and make informed decisions, all without direct human intervention.
Teaching machines to think. The magic of machine learning. At the heart of AI lies machine learning, a powerful technique that allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. Instead of relying on rigid instructions, machine learning algorithms learn patterns and insights from data. The more data they process, the better they become at making predictions and decisions. Think of it like teaching a dog a new trick. You don't program the dog's brain, you train it through repetition and rewards. Similarly, machine learning algorithms learn by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns. Over time, they get better at performing specific tasks, like recognizing images or predicting stock prices.
One popular type of machine learning is deep learning, which uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain. These networks consist of interconnected nodes that process information and learn from each other. Deep learning has revolutionized areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and even medical diagnosis.
Data, the fuel that powers AI. Data is the lifeblood of AI. Just like humans need food to survive, AI algorithms need data to learn and improve. The quality and quantity of data used to train an AI system directly impact its performance. The more data an AI system is exposed to, the more accurate and reliable it becomes. Imagine trying to learn a new language by listening to only a few sentences. You wouldn't get very far. But if you immerse yourself in the language, listening to conversations, reading books, and practicing speaking, you'll learn much faster. The same principle applies to AI. The more data it consumes, the smarter it gets. This reliance on data has important implications for the future of AI. As we generate more data than ever before, from social media posts to sensor readings, we're creating a rich source of fuel for AI algorithms. This abundance of data is fueling rapid advancements in AI research and development.
Section 4: AI in our daily lives, from recommendations to robots.
AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we interact with AI-powered devices and services, often without even realizing it. These interactions are becoming increasingly seamless, enhancing our convenience and efficiency.
Consider the personalized recommendations you see on streaming services like Netflix or Spotify. These recommendations are powered by AI algorithms that analyze your viewing and listening history to suggest content you might enjoy. Similarly, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa use natural language processing to understand your voice commands and respond accordingly.
AI is also used in spam filters that keep unwanted emails out of our inboxes, facial recognition software that unlocks our smartphones, and navigation apps that help us find the fastest route home. These are just a few examples of how AI is subtly enhancing our lives.
Section 5: AI, revolutionizing industries, a new era of innovation.
Beyond our personal lives, AI is rapidly transforming entire industries, automating tasks, improving efficiency, and driving innovation. From healthcare to finance to manufacturing, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we work and live. This transformation is creating new opportunities and challenges that will shape the future of work and society.
In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs, diagnose diseases earlier, and with greater accuracy, and personalize treatment plans. In finance, AI algorithms are detecting fraudulent transactions, managing investments and providing personalized financial advice. And in manufacturing, robots powered by AI are working alongside human workers to assemble products with greater precision and speed.
These are just a few examples of how AI is being applied across various sectors. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge, impacting virtually every aspect of our economy and society.
Section 6, the two sides of AI, promise and peril.
Like any transformative technology, AI comes with both enormous promise and potential risks. On the one hand, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from curing diseases to combating climate change. On the other hand, there are concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, and the potential misuse of AI for malicious purposes.
One of the biggest concerns surrounding AI is its impact on the job market. As AI automates tasks previously performed by humans, some fear widespread job losses. While it's true that AI will likely lead to some job displacement, it's also important to remember that technological advancements have always created new jobs in industry.
Another concern is the potential for algorithmic bias. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing biases, the algorithms themselves can perpetuate those biases. For example, an AI system used in hiring decisions that's trained on data biased against certain demographics could unfairly disadvantage qualified candidates.
Section 7. Gazing into the future AI's transformative potential.
The field of AI is still in its infancy, and its future is brimming with possibilities. As AI technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, we can expect even more groundbreaking advancements in the years to come. These advancements will undoubtedly transform our world in ways we can only begin to imagine.
One exciting area of AI research is artificial general intelligence, or AGI, which refers to AI systems that possess human-level cognitive abilities. While AGI remains a distant goal, its potential impact on society is profound. Imagine AI systems that can not only perform tasks but also understand complex concepts, learn new skills independently, and even exhibit creativity.
As we venture further into the age of AI, it's crucial that we approach this powerful technology with both enthusiasm and caution. By harnessing the transformative potential of AI while mitigating its risks, we can create a future where AI benefits all of humanity. The journey ahead is filled with both challenges and opportunities, and it's up to us to shape the future of AI in a responsible and ethical manner.